Welcome back to the Auto Vault, where we dive deep into the most legendary rides ever built. Today, we're looking at a true icon of American muscle, the 1963 Chevrolet Impala Z11. This isn't your ordinary Impala. The Z11 was a factory-built street beast, designed with one purpose in mind: dominating the drag strip. Under the hood, the Z11 packed a monstrous 427 cubic inch V8 engine, officially rated at 430 horsepower, though insiders knew the real number was well above that. It featured an aluminum intake manifold, special high-lift camshaft, and dual 4-barrel carburetors, pushing this car to rocket down a quarter mile in the low 11-second range. Back in the early 60s, that was absolutely blistering. Chevy didn't stop at just stuffing a big engine under the hood. The Z11 was built for speed, so weight reduction was a key focus. It featured aluminum body panels, including the hood, fenders, bumpers, and even inner structure components. The result: the Z11 shed around 300 pounds compared to a standard Impala. It also had a specially tuned suspension to handle all that power. Visually, the Z11 kept things stealthy. There were no wild graphics or badges screaming about its performance, just subtle tweaks like a raised rear suspension and a cowl induction-style hood to feed fresh air into that big block engine. Inside, it was all business, with a stripped-down interior to save weight and a column-shifted 3-speed manual transmission, though many owners swapped in a 4-speed for better control. Now, here's the kicker: Chevy only built 57 of these Z11 Impalas, making them incredibly rare and highly sought after by collectors. These cars were never meant for the average buyer. They were handed over to serious drag racers who knew how to push them to their limits. The Z11 was part of Chevrolet's secretive factory racing program at a time when the automakers were supposed to be out of motorsports. The 1963 Impala Z11 stands as a raw, unfiltered symbol of Chevy's quest for dominance on the track. It wasn't just a muscle car, it was a purpose-built machine designed to win. Today, finding a genuine Z11 is like discovering hidden treasure, with their value skyrocketing into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So, whether you're a fan of classic drag racing legends or just love the idea of a car built purely for speed, the Z11 holds a special place in automotive history. Thanks for watching the Auto Vault. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more legendary rides.